So I want to do a real quick review of this KOONIE compressed air. It's a wireless compressed air like gun itself. So I actually got this so that I could do some cleaning on the spark plugs on my car, but you could use this just about with anything really. It does come with this tip. It also comes with, if I can go ahead and show you right now, it also comes with this tip with a brush as well. And even has a USB plug that you can go ahead and use to charge the entire unit itself. So this part right here actually it comes right here as storage, but it actually it can go into the top right there, and you can use it as compressed air. So it's like a little fan. It's basically what it is. It's like a little fan. And so when you press on the little trigger, it activates. And then when you let it go, it stops. If you press it twice, it goes automatically. And you'll be able to see, I'll go ahead and blow some leaves here. You can kind of see it does the job. So let's get in like real good right here. So you could use this for like, say, you know, if you need to dust the air off your computer or anything like that. It comes in real handy. So yeah, hope this helps out.